A very good afternoon to all my viewers. Today I am going to do a little maths on ordinal numbers. We know we have to arrange properly from 1 to 12. Today I will be teaching up to 12. So come with me to Aparna's Pathshala. I'll be teaching over there. Let's start with 1. We write 1 like this. We have learned up to 100. We write 1. So what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. 1 means first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Then you write 1 and on top you write S-T, first. Then comes 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, and we know it second. A-C-C-O-N-D, second. Don't forget it. It's right up to class 10 you have to remember this. In whole life you need this one. Because in any space, first, second, third, the positions come. So you have to know this. Second, you write 2 and N-D. See, these two words are working here. N-D, N-D. Don't forget it. Next comes 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And third position is T-H-I-R-D, third. So we are writing here 3 and R-D, third. Next comes fourth. F-O-U-R, 4. Here we are going to write F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Again we are writing this 4 and on top we are writing fourth. Next comes 5. Spelling F-I-V-E, 5, and this is not fifth. It will be fifth. F-I-F, fifth, T-H, fifth. So I am writing it here, F-I-F-T-H, fifth, and again we are writing the number 5 and on top we are writing T-H. See, this are working, D. This all are working. This D is over there, T-H over there, T-H over here. Is that clear? Now we have learned up to 5. Now let us move to up to, again I am erasing it. Let's move to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 to 12. We will be learning it up to 12 itself. Because there are 7 days in a week and 12 months in a year. If you know up to 12, that is enough for us. Okay. Now 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. What will be this one? S-I-X, T-H, 6th. Again we are writing 6 and we are putting T-H over here. 6th. Then 7. A-C-V-E-N, 7. Then we are writing here A-C-V-E-N, T-H, 7th. Again T-H over here. This T-H is going there. Now comes 8. This is a very important part. See, spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T. We are adding TH to every letters. So 8 EIGHT, and there only you put H. That's all. Now you write the number 8 and you put TH over here. Next come 9, N-I-N-E, 9. Now we are going to write N-I-N-T-H. This E vanishes away. E-টা থাকবে না। E-টা এখানে N-I-N-T-H, 9th লেখা হয়। সব সময় এটা মনে রাখবে, এটা এক্সেপশনাল কেস, এগুলোতে ই বসবে না। তাহলে এটা কি হয়ে গেল? 9 লিখে TH, 9th. Next come TEN, 10. Then TEN কি অ্যাড হচ্ছে? TH, 10th. And this comes here TH. Same with it, we write the spelling ELEVEN, 11, ELEVEN, TH, 11. Very easy. এটাকে একদম don't think it's very tough one. You are just adding a TH with each of the spellings, and in the case of 9 you are just moving the E from there, NINTH. Is that clear? Don't forget this. This is very easy one, but you make the mistakes over here. So where you make the mistake, I am just informing you not to do that one. 11th, 11, TH. Here comes another one. TWELVE is the spelling of 12. But as we are writing the ordinal numbers, it will be very interesting one. Instead of V, there will be FTH. TWELFTH. This is added to it. Now it becomes 12TH, 12th. So all the 12 ordinal numbers is in my hand, and we have learn it, and you learn it by heart. You open this Aparna's Pathshala and you go through this video, you are able to know first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, now I am erasing or I am rubbing it. Now let's do this. We have learnt it ordinal numbers. Let us do this. Practice this with the days of the week. Which is the first day of the week? Always remember that working days is the first day of the week. We start our days working Monday. So Monday is the first day of the week. Next, WEEK, week. Don't write WEAK, week, or else WICK, week. The name of the spelling this week, Shaptaho, is WEEK, week. Next comes Tuesday, TUSDAY. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Next comes Wednesday, WEDNESDAY. Wednesday is the third day, THIRD. D, third, day, day of the week. Third day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Next, then comes Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday is the fourth day. Fourth day. Don't write here F-O-R-T-H. Keep that in mind. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth day of the week. Of the week. Fourth day of the week. Next comes Friday. Friday is the fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Then comes Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday is the sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth day of the week. Then comes Sunday. Sunday is a fun day. You eat Sunday. Next, Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Now here ends my program. We have learned the 7 days. We know which comes afterward, and it's very easy to us now. We may ask different questions regarding this. Which day comes, not what won't apply here. Which day comes after Thursday? Which day comes? Friday. Which day lies between Tuesday and Thursday? Wednesday. Which is the first working day? Monday. Which is our holiday? Sunday. Which day comes between Friday and Sunday? Saturday. This is very easy. No need to worry. And here comes the first day, second day, third day, fourth day. What we learn in the ordinal numbers, these are all present here. This first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. See, now they are coming in a, we can use them, apply them. This is applications. So, this is all for today. If I do the ordinal numbers of the month of the year, it will become too long. So, I am keeping it for the next day. Next day, we will be doing with the ordinal numbers on the month of the year. That is also very interesting one, and you will love to do it. Surely you will love to do it. So, be happy, be safe at home, and dear parents, I am telling you one thing. There is a poem there is a poem on it. I will try to do it. Very nice one. If you can get it, it must be in their WPS book. So, if they know that poem, it will be very easier for them to know it well. Okay, bye. My special love to my all kids. Tata.